In this video, we are going to discuss about accessing the web. Whenever we want to access any resource on the web, we do it through a website. This is a website that I have shown here, which is the home page of Tutorials Point. It is actually a set of web pages under a single domain name. This is just one page of this website. The whole website will have many more web pages on a web server. What is a web server? The computer where all the pages of the website are saved is the web server. Web page is a text document that is located on the server and is connected to other web pages on the World Wide Web through hypertext. Hypertext is just a piece of text on a web page which, when clicked, will open another web page. These websites or web pages are accessed through web browsers. Web browsers are application software for accessing, retrieving, presenting and traversing any resource. Traversing, going through a page, listening to a video or listening to an audio. Web browsers use URL to access the resources. They need to have an address. Whenever you want to visit someone, you need the address of that person. Similarly, when you want to visit a website, you need an address. That address is the URL address. We have many popular web browsers that we can use: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer. There are many more which you might have used. But first, let's see what is a URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It refers to the location of a web resource on computer network and the mechanism for retrieving it. That means the URL will have the address of the resource as well as it will tell the server or the web browser that how that communication has to take place. Let's take an example. The website or the web page that we saw initially, https://www.tutorialspoint.com/videotutorials/index.htm. Index.htm is the resource. www.tutorialspoint.com is the website. This website is hosted or kept on a server. On that server, video tutorials is a folder. The resource index.htm is saved on that folder. So that leaves us with HTTPS. What is HTTPS? HTTPS is a protocol for retrieving the web page from the website or the web server. So the URL also tells the web server that how it is supposed to send the resource. So this is what we should know about accessing the web. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the domain names.